Hello friends, so we will continue that video which I have left last session, like introduction to rational numbers. So today I will tell you how to make the non-terminating and repeating decimal in the form of p by q. Like suppose a number like 0.3 bar or 0.32 bar, like that. How to write it in the form of p by. So first, it's a what? It's a non-terminating decimal but recurring. Like 0, it will be like 0.3333 dot dot dot. If there is a terminating decimal, we know, suppose it is given only 0.3, so we can write it in p by form, q form, like 3 by 10. But if it's non-terminating, we don't know where this number will end. So we know that after the decimal how much numbers are present, we put that much amount of 0 after 1 and the number in the numerator. Is like that we make it in the p by q form. But here we don't know when this number will end. It will continue, so we don't know in the denominator how many 0 we will put in 1. So how to write these kind of numbers in p by q form? So first you take, like suppose 0.3 bar, you will write x is equal to 0.3 bar. So you know it is like 0.333 dot dot dot. So then we will write 10x. 10x means, you know, when with a decimal number you multiply 10, then the decimal shifted to one's place to the right. Here 1 0, so decimal will be shifted to 1 place. That means you will write like 0.3 bar into 10. So 10x will be, the decimal will shifted to 1 place, so it will be 3 bar, because it will be like 3.3333, so I can write 3.3 bar. So what is making difficult for us to write it in the form of p by q? This bar, because bar means it will never end. So if we will omit this bar, then it will be easier for us to write it in the form of p by q. So how we can omit this bar? Suppose I will 10x and minus x I will do. That means it will be like 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. That means it will be like 3.3333. When you subtract, this entire thing minus this entire thing will be 0. And sorry, it will be and this 3 minus 0 will be 3. So this part is omitted by subtraction. So it will be like 3.0. Now 10x is 3.0. So x is equal to 3 by 10. This x is how much? 0.31. So you can write 0.3 where? As 3 by 10. Suppose you will tell that the number is like this. 0.32 bar. In this case also you will write x is equal to 0.32 bar. That means what? 0.3222. If I take 10x, then the point will be shifted to one place. So it will be 3.2 bar, because it will be point will be here. So it will be 3.2222 like that. Now 3.2 bar and 0.3 bar, if I will minus 0.32222 and 0.222, so it will be difficult for us to subtract. So what I will do, for make the subtraction easier, we want after the decimal both will be in the form of 2 bar. So I will do another 100x. 100x means that is shifted to here, then another place. So it will be 32.2 bar. Now these two can be subtracted easily. 100x minus 10x is 32.2 bar minus 3.2 bar. It is how much? 32.2 bar and 3.2 bar. So 2 bar will be 0 and 32 minus 3 is how much? 29. So it is 29 and 100x minus 10x is how much? 99. 90x. So x will be 29 minus 90. Sorry, in the previous case I have written that 10x minus x was like 3.0. So it is 9x is 3 and x was 3 by 9. Got it? So for next session, continue to see my next videos.